Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to add rows with grid template rows. So that's instead of columns, we're doing rows this time. The grid you created in the last challenge will set the number of rows automatically. To adjust the rows manually, use the grid template rows property in the same way you used grid template columns in the previous challenge. So add 2 rows to the grid that are 50 pixels tall each. And so yeah, here I think what's going to happen is we're going to make these like higher. Right now they're this short. I think they'll be about that short. And so yeah, it's just going to be exactly like last time. We're going to say grid template columns, and we're going to set them 2 rows. So we want 50 pixels, 50 pixels. Oh, cool. So yeah. Oh, not columns. We want to add rows. Nice. If we run the tests, I think that'll pass. So yeah, if you're having problems with this one, really focus on making sure you spelt this all right. You want to make sure that's a colon and this is a semicolon. And yeah, that's the answer. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.